Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a beautiful floral bag strap, a perfect accessory to add charm to your bags or use as a decorative piece for your home. Grab your 3mm yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook and let's get started together. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more fun crochet projects. Ready? Let's crochet with love and creativity. For the base strap, chain 53, then turn your work. Now do 53 double crochets, one in each chain. Tip: keep your tension even for a smooth, flat strap. Great job, you're off to a strong start. Now let's begin the large flower petals. For the first petal, chain 2, then work 5 double crochets. That's it, simple and sweet. Keep going. Chain 2, and this time, make 5 double crochet increases. That means 2 DC in each stitch. Tip: count carefully so your petal is symmetrical. For the final round of the large petal, chain 2, then do 2 double crochet increases, 2 extended DC increases, then 2 extended DC, 1 treble, chain 2 and slip stitch. Now go back with 1 treble, 2 DC, then 2 times extended DC ink, and finish with 2 times DC ink, 2 slust. You've just finished a full, fluffy petal. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's move to the smaller petals. Start with chain 2 and make 4 double crochets. Looking great, these will add lovely variation to your flower. Chain 2, then do 4 double crochet increases. These petals are dainty, but they pack a punch. Keep going. Chain 2 then, 2 times DC ink, DC, extended DC, extended DC ink, extended DC treble, CH2, sa est, go back with, treble, extended DC ink, extended DC, DC, DC inks. Beautiful. These layered textures really bring your flower to life. For the tiniest petals, chain 2 and make 3 half double crochets. Tip: use gentle tension to keep the petals soft and rounded. Chain 2, then do 3 double crochet increases. Nice and even, this builds volume quickly. Chain 2, then make half double crochet increase, 4 times double crochet increase, half double crochet increase. Then chapter 2 in S-solsti, chapter 2 in solst again. Well done. The petal looks full and graceful.